everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexa Jean, and today we are going to talk about the things you must have in your carry-on. So let's say your flight gets delayed, you gotta transfer flights, your baggage ends up getting lost. What are you gonna do? Are you screwed? You would not be if you had the right things in your backpack. First off, let's talk about what backpack you should have. I personally, after a lot of research, chose the North Face Borealis, like the lights in the sky. Anywho, I chose that backpack. It fit all the needs that I require. I personally like to have multiple compartments, little baby slots for little things I can quickly grab. I have a 15-inch laptop, which is not the common size. The average laptop is a 13-inch, and just certain requirements. But enough about my backpack. I recommend it. I'll leave a link below if you wanted to check it out. First off is the one necessity that I will never not pack. I pack a full-on extra outfit. What if your stuff is gone? You got nothing to wear. Wearing your airport clothes is the most grimy and disgusting thing. An additional bonus to packing an extra outfit is that it is saving room that is in your checked luggage, so you have a whole bonus outfit out of your adventure. Boom. Speaking of clothes, I do always recommend to bring a hoodie. Wear it around you, take it off, tie it around your waist, do something. Just always bring a hoodie, because airplanes, I swear, are just like movie theaters. They are always freezing. You always have that little air jet stabbing you, and it's just the worst. So make sure you have some jacket or a hoodie or something to keep you warm. Even a small blanket if you want. Just something, because I know the plane will be freezing and you'll want it later. The second thing I always pack is my medication. If you do have a prescription, make sure you pack it, and just in case your luggage gets lost. Most of these are just in case your luggage gets lost. We'll get to other things where it's just better to have rather than not, obviously. But make sure you pack your meds so you can take your meds. The third thing you must always pack are a pair of headphones. It sounds like a very obvious one, but make sure you do it, because otherwise you're gonna be stuck with the ones that the airplane has, and they're the worst. They're just the worst. Words can't describe how terrible they are. Always pack a pair of headphones. You'll thank me later. There's probably a crying baby on your airplane. Sorry to break it to you. Also, number 4, is it 4? I don't know what number I'm on. 4, you should also pack gum. I think gum is great because if you're like me, my ears pop like crazy, takeoff and landing. So if you chew some gum, it helps break up that and you don't get all clogged ears for the whole trip, which is miserable. Which brings me to my second point, which is also to bring a water bottle. I personally have a refillable water bottle that I can empty out and go through security without any water in it, and then go to one of the stations and fill it up after. I recommend not taking this type of water bottle on the plane because of the straw. Under the pressure or something, all the water like spews out of it and it'll splash you in the face. I have done this on 2 different occasions now, and I should have learned my lesson and I haven't. So I'm warning you, try to find like a tumbler or a different kind of screw cap, something without a straw, so you can drink it. Number 5 is a pen. I think everybody should have a pen in their purse in general, but always have one in your backpack with you, especially if you are traveling internationally. You'll probably have to fill out certain paperwork and forms while you're on the plane, and it could just be a big surprise, and sometimes they don't even have enough for everybody. Also, a pen is good to do the Sudoku or crossword puzzles on the Sky Mall, let's be real. And if the Sky Mall is boring after the first 45 minutes of flipping through it, make sure you have some sort of other entertainment. I always bring my iPad with me no matter what, or a book, or a magazine, or something that you find entertaining. Watch some Netflix, download some shows. It's an obvious one, but don't forget it, otherwise you might be pretty bored if it's an 8-hour-long flight and you got nothing to do besides to listen to the crying baby because you forgot your headphones. Number 6, back to clothes. I always pack a pair of fuzzy socks. You're gonna wanna pop off your shoes, but then your feet will probably smell and nobody's gonna wanna be around you. Pop on some fuzzy socks. They're comfy, they're great. If you have little pads on the bottom, you can walk to and from the bathroom. It's just something cozy while you're stuck in a tiny little cramped place. And number 7, if you have contacts or glasses or something, make sure you have those in your bag as well, because in case your luggage gets lost, you want to be able to see. I personally wear dailies and I cannot sleep overnight in these without it being the most gunky, disgusting mess the next day. And number 8, for you ladies, I always pack like tiny little things. Like I have a travel sized eyeliner, a travel sized deodorant. I guess that's not just ladies, that's anybody. Please don't smell. I always pack some sort of travel thing to freshen up in case I need to go straight from the airport to whatever I'm doing. Number 9, take a snack. Airplane food is gross and you probably don't even want what they're passing out for free. Number 9 or 10, not really sure at this point. Let's screw the counting because I obviously don't know what I'm doing. Bring a portable charger if it is a long flight. If you are traveling internationally or across the country, those can be very, very long, tedious, boring flights and your phone might die. If you're playing, I don't know, Words with Friends, is that still a game? Number 12, 11, 13. Why? I said I was stopping the counting. Pack your charger. Don't put it in your suitcase. Pack all your chargers. If you got a Fitbit, an Apple Watch, a phone, an iPad. Number 37, make sure you have a little thing of hand sanitizer because airports and airplane seats are gross. They do not clean those in between flights, ladies and gentlemen. Just pack it. It's good, especially if you're gonna go munching on those airline peanuts. And last but not least, this is my bonus item. You do not need to have this, but I swear I cannot travel without it. I do not have a photo of it, or not a photo, wow. I do not have it here. I think it is at my mom's house because whenever I travel, it is typically with my mother. But it is this awesome neck pillow, okay? This, you know, neck pillows are great, you know, I think they're fine. But this is not your average neck pillow. It has a hood. So then I can put my hood up, I can like scrunch it down, and then nobody gets to see me sleeping, and it is the best thing I ever got. I actually got it as a gift. I'll try to find a photo and insert it here because if you're gonna buy anything for travel, for comfort wise, get this neck pillow. It's a little, mine's a little lamb. I'm not sure if I'll be able to find the exact one, but I adore it. It is the best thing that has ever happened. Thank you, Gigi, if you are watching this. Alright guys, that is all for me today. I hope you learned something. I hope you find things to put into your ready-to-go backpack. And let me know if there's any essentials that you always have to have in your backpack down in the comments below. Make sure to leave me a like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, that's all. Cheers guys!